Now, hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how you will write section 1 for the upcoming exam. So for that, you have to click on the Google Chrome browser of your phone and go to Google search bar, type Google Forms here and search for this option, Google Forms free online survey. Then personal, go to Google Forms. Now this page you will get where you will enter uh, or you can create your question paper. So first what we will do is to click on these three dots, go to setting, click on limit to one response, go to presentation. We have to give one message like thank you and go to quizzes. Click on this option, make it is a quiz and unmark these two options. That means the student cannot see whatever the question is because every question is required. They cannot see the correct answer. What they will see only the points value. That means how much marks they have scored. Click on save. Now over here we will write our file name. By which file name we are going to store this form in our phone or computer. Suppose I am creating computer class 8. Okay, this is our file name. Over here we will write our subject name, subject computer. In description we will write the instruction to be given for section 1. Instruction. I will write please enter your details carefully. Once the form submitted, it cannot be altered. Okay. Now from this part we will start asking the details from the student. So the first detail that we will ask is enter your name. It will be a short answer type and required. Next, click on this plus button. Enter your surname. It will be short answer type and required. Third option is enter your class. From here, we will choose one more option, that is drop down. By using drop down, the student will get means they are not able to write any random alphabets or digit like small 6 in ASIX or 6 in number. What we will trying to give them, they will choose that only. Like we are having options. I'm entering one option like class 6, then 7, then 8. Okay, it is required. After class we have to ask section, so we'll click on this button. We'll write enter your section. It will be a drop down type A, B, C. Okay, since we are having 3 sections per class and it is required. After section, we have to write, we have to ask roll number. So enter your roll number. It will be a drop down type. Option 1, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As per I remember, one section of class 7 is having 54 students, so we have to enter roll number up to 55. Okay, I am writing up to 10 here and it is required. After roll number, we have to ask one more detail from the student, that is enter your phone number. It will be a short answer type, but since I have written phone number here, Google form is asking one validation from us. Like, a student will enter only numbers here. If they try to enter any alphabet or any word, anything else, they will get an error message. What error message they will get? We have to type here, like wrong input. Okay, and it is required. So our section 1 is complete. Before going to next part, you check out have you entered all the uh, questions for section 1 or not, and everything is required or not. Okay, everything is fine. Now click on this option equal to. It will divide into section. Now in section 2, as usual, we have to write instruction in this part. This question paper, or it's better to write page, contains 15 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Full marks. The full marks is 30 and time limit 45 minutes. Okay. In description we will write, choose the options very carefully, verify your answers before clicking the submit button. Okay, now we will enter questionnaire. Question 1. Question 1 is, what is the, or name the capital city of India? It will be multiple choice type. Option 1, Toronto. Option 2, New Zealand. Option 3, New Delhi. Option 4, Tokyo. This question is required, or you can say compulsory. We have to enter the correct option for this question. So we will click here. This question carries 2 marks. Correct option is New Delhi and done. We have to enter question 2 now. Question 2. Suppose in which year India won Cricket World Cup under MS Dhoni's captaincy? Options are 2010, 1983, 2011, 2020. This question is required. The correct option is 2011. This question carries 2 marks and done. So our question paper is ready. Let us preview it. So for previewing, we will click on these 3 dots. Preview. So enter your name, suppose Ram, surname Shyam, class, see here, class, suppose 7, enter section, suppose C, enter roll number, suppose 10, enter a phone number. Suppose I am writing random numbers or random alphabets. This message they will get wrong input. So they have to write numbers only. After filling the details in section 1, they will click on next. Now this is section 2. These are the instruction. Name the capital city, New Delhi. In which year? Suppose 1983. Now submit. They will get this page. They will click on view score. They will get the marks, total point 2 out of 4. That means one answer is incorrect. They will get their name, surname, class, section, roll number and phone number. But they will not get the correct answer here. Okay, they will get from which in which question they have got full marks and from which question they have got 0. Okay, if they want to submit this again, this message they will get that you have already responded. Okay, they can only view score here. Now I will show you how we can check. Now this is our question paper. As I have appeared for the exam self, so I have got one response to individual. In individual I can see their names, everything, which answer is correct, which answer is not correct. Okay, if you want, you can click on this green plus button. For that, you have to install one application named Google Sheets. Okay, install that one. It will open directly over there. Like this. Now the time is 1:14. I have scored 2 out of 4. I am of class 7. See here, class 7, class 6, for every student it will be same, and it will be easier for us to sort the data as per section or as per class or as per roll number. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. One more thing I want to add here. Suppose I have created the question paper like this way. Section A is there, or section 1 is there, section 2 is there. I have written all the questions here and I have marked all the correct answer. Okay. Now I am previewing it again. Suppose name is again Ram, Shyam. It is of class 8. Suppose section A, roll number is 3, phone number suppose. Okay. Next, name of the capital city, New Zealand, 2011. The student has submitted. Okay. Now student will see the marks. Okay, and they will not get the correct answer. Now one more thing I want to add here, that is, suppose in response we are getting all the answers given by the students. Suppose our exam starts at 11. The time I have mentioned is of 45 minutes. So just after 45 minutes, if you switch off this option, then no participant is able to send the answers to you. That means this form will stop accepting the answers or the response. Hope all this part is clear to you. If any problem you have, you feel free to ask me.